What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the Thomas Gallery, and today we're going to be a little different. We're not going to be doing a drawing today, but we're going to do a little lesson. This is on how to understand Roman numerals, as you can see. Now, a lot of people hear the term Roman numerals. They've heard it before. They've even seen them before, but they may not understand Roman numerals or how to really decipher them or what they really mean. Okay, so we're going to go into them so nobody be confused. All right, so Roman numerals are pretty much the numeric system of the Romans during the ancient times, where they used letters to represent numbers. Okay, there are certain letters to represent numbers. They didn't use the whole alphabet. They used certain letters to represent numbers. Okay, letters that we would understand, but they actually didn't have them in their alphabet. So we have the first one is I, and that represents 1. Then we have V, and that represents 5. Okay, and we have X, that represents 10. It's a little darker. Alright, and we have L, that represents 50. Okay, now we have C, that represents 100. We have D, that represents 500. Then we have the letter M, which represents 1,000. Okay, now we've probably seen these before. You've seen them a lot. We've seen these before. If you ever watched the Super Bowl, you've seen these before. Trust me, you've seen these Roman numerals before. You ever had to look at a watch, you'll see them. But a lot of people don't know what they mean. So there are rules to it. 1, I call it the rule of 3 in Roman numerals. When it comes to Roman numerals, you never go beyond repeating a letter 4 times. Like, there is no I to represent 4. That is wrong. Okay? You always have a rule of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Right? That's how that goes. Now, people say, well, how do you represent 4? 4 represents as an I and a V. That represents 4. The question is why? Well, the rule is, whenever you have a small number like I in front of a larger number like V, because I is 5 and I is 1 and V is 5. You have a small number in front of a large number, you subtract. Okay, and that'll be 4. Okay, you have a small number in front of a large number. In Roman numerals, you subtract. That's 4. So 1 subtracted from 5 equals 4. Okay, that's how that goes. And we have 5, it's just regular V. That equals 5. Now, when you have to go higher than 5, is VI, which is 6. And the rule for that is, we have a large number before a smaller number, you add. Okay? Large number in front of small number, you add. Small number in front of large number, you subtract. Okay? So you can have VIII, and that's 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, which equals 8. Okay? Now, this rule pretty much applies to all of them. Large number in front of a small number, you subtract. Small number in front of a large number, you add. So what are we getting the bigger numbers? Like, if I were to say my birthday. My birthday is February. Okay, 26, 1983. Now, February is the second month, so I put I, which equals 2. 26. You have X, which is 10, plus X, which is 20. Okay? And 6. V plus I equals 26, because 10 plus 10 equals 20, plus 5 equals 5, plus 1 equals 6, 26. Okay? Now, there's the big number. 1,983. How do we do that? Where's the rule for that? You have M. You have M, which is 1,000. Okay? And you have, this is separate, you have CM. This is 900. Okay? Because C is 100 and M is 1,000. And when I said you have a small number in front of a large number, you subtract. So 1,000 minus 100 is 900. Okay? Then you have, that's a separate number. You have 50, or L, which is 50. Then you have the rule of 3. 10 times 3, or 3 tens. How you going to do it? You have X, X, X. That equals 30. Okay? And you have I, which equals 3. So let's put it all together. Alright? 1,000 plus 900 is 1,900. Plus 50. Alright? Plus 80. 50 plus 80. 50 plus 30 equals 30. 50 plus 30 equals 80. Pardon me. And plus 3 equals 3. So, put them together. 1,983. That's how you do large numbers. Okay? It's actually, like I said, it's very simple. You should never see this. Anytime you look on a watch and you see to represent 4, that is incorrect. You should never see 4 of the same symbol repeated in Roman numerals. You should never see that. You should see 3, then it will change. You can see X, X, X. Okay? Right. But you will never see X, X to represent 40. That is incorrect. You should never see this represent 40. You want to see 40, you take X, L. Because X is 10 and L is 50. And as the rule goes, if the smaller number is in front of the larger number, you subtract. So that will be 40. 50 minus 10 equals 40. That's how you put 40 in Roman numerals. Okay? Something very simple. You know, Roman numerals are actually simple, but there's certain rules you got to know. But these are the symbols. I equals 1, V equals 5, X equals 10, L equals 50, C equals 100, D equals 500, M equals 1,000. Okay? And the rules are you will never see 4 of the same symbol repeated. You should never see 4 of the same symbol repeated. Called the rule of 3. Only 3 of the same symbols can be repeated. Only 3 of the same symbols can be repeated. Alright? If the smaller number is in front of the larger number, you subtract. If the larger number is in front of the smaller number, you add. Okay? Hope you enjoyed that little lesson. I'll catch you all later. Peace.